Hey, Weather Brenton people. Today we're talking about a winter storm right now, so we're going to be right to it right now. And after this, we're going to have another severe storm one after, so you might hear some stuff in the background, but ignore it. So you can see tonight freezing drizzle, fog, cloudy, becoming foggy with periods of freezing drizzle after midnight, 30%. Wednesday, February 6th, AM ice, areas of patchy fog, cloudy with periods of freezing rain ending in the afternoon, 60% chance. Thunderstorms during the evening, then mainly cloudy overnight with periods of freezing rain, 80% chance. So that's what we're watching right now on the Weather Channel app. 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. there could be wintry mix. So tonight, continues to 12 p.m. tomorrow. The winter weather thing is until freezing rain and freezing drizzle expected. Total ice accumulation to up to 1/10 of an inch if possible. Where potential of central northeast Kansas and north central, northwest, and west central Missouri. Wind from noon Tuesday to noon central Wednesday. Detail hazard could be commute on Tuesday and the morning commute on Wednesday. So get ready for the storm right now, so don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to have a video right after this. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later. Thank you for watching.